There you can see the steam coming up there. So you can see this is an actual steam-powered locomotive. Alright, let's get a good picture of the working area. So now that this thing's going, it'll keep going like this for about 40 minutes. I have it at a low throttle so it's not consuming too much water. I clearly had it overfilled because it spit up a lot of water out when it first started. And all this is. So, I mean, this thing should be ready to go for a while. Give a little bit more throttle, give a little bit more gas, and the pressure's holding good at 40. Probably increase the pressure by adding some hot water around the fuel tank. That's a little feature that I consider unnecessary. If only they made this thing to run on propane and not this camping butane mix stuff. Because this stuff, its boiling point is only slightly above ambient temperature, and because it's constantly releasing pressure into the motor, it cools down. You know, when you shoot a hole in a propane tank, the thing turns into a frosty icicle. Well, let's see, I'm going to add a little hot water to this. I got my hot water heater cranked up to about 150 degrees, so my hot tap water should be enough. It's not hot yet. You'll be able to tell when steam starts rolling off the stream of water. There we go. Now we got some steam. So, add a little water here. Turn this off. Now this locomotive comes with all sorts of little special tools. One of them, this is the same funnel you use to fill the locomotive with water. It comes with a little needle attachment to fill around the tank here. I think it's unfortunate that they're not making these anymore, but then again, that makes me feel like I'm part of an exclusive club. Not as exclusive as the guys that have Asters. You can only slowly add water to it. The small hole you're filling it through. Well, now you can see it surging a little bit. That's because there's no inertia involved right now. It's only on roller bearings. The only inertia is the weight of the wheels. But when you get 16 cars behind this thing, it runs smooth. I mean, it runs smooth under its own weight. This thing weighs 25 pounds. But if it's just spinning the wheels like you see here, it can be a little jerky. It's not too jerky, though. It's actually a beautiful perspective of the workings. Turned way down. There, now pressure built. The pressure is going to keep increasing until it can start consistently moving the wheel. Well, there it is. That's the live steam Mikado running.